Rainwater harvesting. One of the best methods of conserving water is to collect the rainwater and store it for later use. This is called rainwater harvesting. Two techniques used in rainwater harvesting are rooftop harvesting and roadside rainwater harvesting. In rooftop rainwater harvesting, the rainwater is collected on the rooftops. The water from the rooftop is allowed to go in the storage tanks through pipes. The water stored in tanks is purified or filtered for use or is used to recharge groundwater. In roadside rainwater harvesting, the rainwater from the roadsides are directly stored in pits where it is used for recharging wells and trenches. This helps in raising groundwater.
Dams. The construction of big dams and river valley projects which are required for hydroelectric power generation have affected the forests. Big dams and river valley projects have multi-purpose uses. Advantages and limitations of large dams can ensure the storage of sufficient water for two purposes: for irrigation purposes, for generating electricity. Canal systems from these canals distribute water to faraway places. Damage caused due to building of dams, large-scale devastation of forests, it imbalances ecosystem of the region, frequent occurrence of floods, droughts and landslides, loss of biodiversity. An overview of natural resource management. Main aims of natural resource management are to maintain essential biological processes like food chains, food webs and material cycling, to maintain the life support systems of the earth, to ensure the availability and sustainability of resources, to assure survival of all the species in a healthy and easy manner, to preserve the biodiversity so that evolution and development of life in the long run does not get disturbed, to promote environmental education and awareness through our education system and mass media, to develop a feeling of belongingness to earth called earth thinking from the childhood.
Ways to conserve energy. Various types of sources of energy are available to us, renewable and non-renewable. However, for their energy needs, human beings are largely dependent on non-renewable sources of energy such as coal, petrol, natural gas, etc. Due to the reckless usage of non-renewable sources of energy, our future generations might face acute shortage of these resources. It is therefore our duty to use these resources judiciously and find ways to conserve them. Let us discuss a few ways to save energy. We must switch off fans, tube lights, bulbs and all other electrical appliances when not in use. We should use CFLs, compact fluorescent lamp, instead of traditional bulbs. This saves a lot of energy as CFLs consume less energy. Keep the temperature of the AC at around 24 to 25 degrees Celsius. It reduces the consumption of electric power. Save water to save energy, as energy is being used to supply safe and purified water to your homes. Keep cold refrigerated food out of the refrigerator to allow its temperature to come down to the room temperature before heating or warming it. Use bicycles for traveling over short distances. Whenever possible, use public transport. Use biogas, especially in villages, and save fuel. Use solar cookers, solar water heaters, and solar cells wherever possible. Buy electrical appliances that have BEE, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, labels on them. These are energy efficient appliances. More stars on the label mean more energy efficient appliance.